Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, that strut looks just a little crooked. No problem. Mongo Fix. Get that thing out the way. And with 12 millimeter. Little loop juice. First get counterpin. There we go. Now 17 millimeter. 19 on one end, 22 on the other. Get these three 14 millimeters off. Yeah, it's just a little bent. Well, hopefully this video helped you if you got to replace a strut on your 04 Honda CRV. It's pretty simple, but Mongo thinks she's going to need a knuckle or control arm or something. She's still just a little bit in. She's mobile now, but little in. Do all sorts of videos, fix her up real nice. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.